Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can set up and use smart plans in Chime CRM to automate your follow-up process. So let's get started. Chime CRM's smart plans are one of the most effective tools for automating follow-ups and making sure no lead slips through the cracks. To start, you'll need to set up your smart plans in Chime CRM. These plans are triggered automatically by specific actions like when a lead fills out a form on your website or asks for more details about a property. You can fully customize these plans based on your business goals and how you want your follow-up to work. Next, it's time to create your follow-up messages. Make sure they're personalized, friendly, and offer real value to your leads. You can use Chime CRM's built-in templates or write your own messages from scratch to match your brand's tone and style. Once your smart plans and messages are ready, schedule your follow-ups. Chime CRM lets you set exact intervals, for example, 1 day after a form submission, 1 week later, and so on. This keeps your communication consistent and helps nurture your leads over time. Finally, don't forget to monitor your results. Chime CRM gives you powerful analytics and reports that show which smart plans are performing best. Use that data to fine-tune your messages and improve your automation strategy even further. With these steps, you can easily automate your follow-ups, save time, and build stronger relationships with every lead. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.